Legends aren't born, legends are created. We are extremely fortunate in Tata Motors to have a bouquet of legendary brands, but none more legendary than the Safari. I think the name itself evokes these images of capability, of luxury, of purpose. When the Safari was launched, it really established the luxury SUV segment in India much before SUVs were even popular. So when it came to Tata Motors' design to bring back this legendary brand name in a new form, it was a real moment of excitement, of course, for all of us in the global design setup, but also a moment of nervousness. When you bring back a legend like this, you've got to do it right. So we started, of course, with the architecture. There's no better or more capable architecture than the OMEGARC, which itself is, the pedigree is from Land Rover, as you know. And on that, using Impact 2.0, our design philosophy, we created a really compelling, honest new Safari. A Safari which has some cues of the outgoing Safari, especially in the rear window area, the silhouette of the roof line, the stance, the presence, muscular wheel arches, the interior, which is the best place for 7 people. These are some core elements from the original Safari that we've brought to the new Safari. We are sure that the new Safari will live up to its legendary promise.